Societal deformity and arrogance of jati, caste, points to a serious imbalance in priorities. While India faces massive challenges like unemployment, inflation, rural distress, education gaps, and environmental degradation, much of the public discourse, and even daily behavior, gets hijacked by caste pride, identity politics, and shallow status competition. Let's unpack this a bit. Puzzle piece 1. Caste and identity over substance. Instead of uniting around issues like healthcare, corruption, and education, communities often stay divided along caste or regional lines. Political parties exploit this, offering caste-based promises rather than solutions to real-life problems. Result: votes are cast, but accountability vanishes. Gear 2. Social arrogance and ignorance. Many people find false pride in their jati or status, ignoring how little it matters in practical progress. This creates arrogance, but also deep insecurity. Society then starts valuing who you are born as instead of what you contribute. Chart decreasing 3. Avoidance of real problems. Unemployment, farmer distress, healthcare collapse, poor infrastructure, these are urgent crises. Yet social energy gets wasted on moral policing, celebrity gossip, or caste pride instead of demanding better governance. It's like the house is on fire, but people are repainting the doors. Brain 4. Need for a cultural reboot. What India really needs is mass civic awareness, where pride shifts from caste to character, and from religion to responsibility. Education, especially moral and civic education, local community action, and social media literacy can play huge roles here. Seedling 5. What you can do. Even one aware person can spark change. Speak up, not in hate, but in truth. Educate others about issues that matter: jobs, health, economy, governance. Support movements and leaders who emphasize merit and honesty, not caste arithmetic. Lead by example, treat everyone with dignity, especially those below your social ladder.